Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the audio settings in the AnyDesk application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will find three lines. Press on it. And after doing so, you should select the fourth option on the list, which is settings. And here you should select the sixth option on the list, which is audio. And after doing so, you can see that in this case there is just one setting that you can activate or deactivate, which is the audio output. Now you can enable playback if you want to. You can also deactivate it, and after you have done with setting this singular setting, you can just go back and see that it will remain like that. I mean how you left it the first time. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.